What's up, everybody? It's your girl KeKe. I am here in downtown Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, getting ready to try a new restaurant that I've never tried before, and I'm gonna take you with me. So guys, I wanted to share a little bit of the menu with you. I had the Korean fried chicken, but as you can see, there are many options. So you pick a meat and then a side, and you can add additional sides if you want. And then they have some different sides that are available, daily side dishes too. So I chose one of those as well. But as you can see, lots of delicious options to choose from at Bae Bae. So you guys, I was so hungry and I was trying to hold the phone with one hand and open the box with the other, and I was just like, you know what, forget it, and just ripped that box right open because I was hungry. But anyway, Lord, y'all, this food was so good. I gotta show y'all, I had the Korean fried chicken, the side salad, and I had those japchae noodles that are made of sweet potatoes. So let's get into it. Now, of course, I had to be fancy and use my chopsticks, y'all, because when in Rome, you do it the Romans, right? So that's what I did. I pulled my chopsticks out. I pulled my chopsticks out. That's the kimchi cabbage that I ordered on the side, y'all. Remember I said they have those daily sides? That was one of the daily sides. So that's what's in that little container. And so I had to get myself set up here. Got my chopsticks ready to go, getting ready to try these noodles when I realized there was some sauce in that box, and I needed to get that sauce out because it was looking kind of good. So let me get a little bit of that sauce on these noodles and see how that works, because I could just tell that it was about to be good, y'all. So trying those noodles, and oh my god, those sweet potato noodles are the best noodles I have tasted in a very long time. They were delicious. I did not expect them to be that good, but they were. And then I had a little bit of the salad, which was also good. But guys, we got to get to the chicken, right? Because that's what this vlog is supposed to be about. And we're going to get to that. But first, I have to just get a little bit more of these noodles. And then I want to show y'all the cabbage, because the cabbage was really good too. Now, I didn't get a whole lot of the cabbage. It's a very small side of it, but it was really tasty, and I want you guys to see just how good it looked. This was spicy kimchi cabbage, and it was definitely spicy. They did not lie about that. I mean, you can see how red it is, that it's gonna be spicy. But you know what? I enjoyed it, but I love spicy stuff, so I think it was really, really good. I tasted just a little bit at a time because I was cautious about how spicy it was going to be, but it was delicious. All right, now on to the main attraction, the Korean fried chicken. Now, they had Korean fried chicken wings. I opted for the Korean fried chicken tender. So it is so good, you guys. It was really crispy on the outside and tender and juicy on the inside. I dipped it in that sauce that they gave me, and yes, all I can say is yes, this meal was a win. I would definitely go back for it again. I would definitely order the Korean fried chicken again. Maybe I would try the wings this time just to try something different. But you know, one thing that I definitely would not miss next time, those sweet potato noodles, because those things were fire. right, everybody, I'm back in my room. I had such a good dinner. I am so glad I decided to just step out and try something different because that Korean spot was delicious. And I tried Korean fried chicken for the first time. I only ordered that because I didn't know what to order. I looked over the menu. There were a bunch of different things that sounded really good. And so I asked the guy who took my order what was popular. And he said that this is what was popular, the Korean chicken. He said everybody orders it, and so I got it. So delicious. The kimchi cabbage on the side, delicious. Those noodles, they were like sweet potato noodles. So good with that soy, I think it was honey soy or soy ginger sauce or some kind of soy. Delicious, y'all. It was so good. I'm so satisfied with the meal. If you're ever in the Pittsburgh area and want to try Korean food, just, try to check out Bae Bae's kitchen. It's really, really good. I love it. Love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. Hopefully you all have an opportunity to try it one day because I do think it is worth the visit. So thank you so much for watching. Again, remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified each and every time we post a video. And don't forget that you can watch us live on Sundays. Come hang out with us on Sundays at 5:45 p.m. We have Sunday shenanigans and it is fun. And we want you to be there to chat with us. So we'll see you then. And until the next video, Team Reese